Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying model and firmware so you know which parts and steps apply. Once done, back up your dashboard configuration to USB or cloud. This prevents data loss. Now, disable live inputs and engage service mode. This isolates the system and avoids damage. Make sure to note any error codes or LED patterns because they tell you where to focus. From here, prepare the tools: laptop, cable, and the exact firmware file. Those let you move to the first repair action. You run full diagnostics, hardware self-test, log collection, and network checks to separate software faults from hardware failures. If logs point to corruption, reflash firmware or restore the backed-up configuration. That resolves many issues quickly. Once software is stable, reseat all connectors and harnesses, inspect fuses, and measure sensor voltages with a multimeter to confirm hardware status. Make sure to test after each change, because incremental checks let you identify the exact cause without introducing new variables. You finish by reassembling components, restoring live inputs, and running realistic test scenarios to verify the dashboard behaves correctly. Then calibrate sensors and fine-tune settings so readings match expectations. Confirm user profiles and permissions so access is correct. If a problem persists, capture fresh logs and try swapping suspect modules to isolate faults. One key troubleshooting tip: if intermittent errors remain, monitor the system for 24 hours under load. Transient problems often appear only during extended use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.